LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman, another big story today, says his office does not recommend a new trial for Eric and Lyle Menendez. Fox 11's Gina Silva live in downtown LA with where the high-profile murder case stands now. Gina.
Well, Christine, it's not good news for the Menendez brothers. The DA is opposing a motion for a new trial, citing a history of
lies and deceit and fabricating stories.
LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman made it very clear he does not believe there is new evidence that justifies a new trial.
Now remember, in 1989, August 20th, the issue is what is going on in Eric and Lyle's head. At the time, they shotgunned their parents 12 times to their death. Are they again have an actual fear of imminent harm and death, that their parents were going to kill them that night? Or was it a willful, premeditated, and deliberate act on their part?
Hochman, who released this detailed video of the Menendez case, pointed to numerous lies told by the brothers.
What we found out is that Eric and Lyle Menendez had told 5 different versions of the events of what had happened.
Their lies included claims that the mob had killed their parents and that Jose Menendez had raped Lyle's girlfriend. Plus,
and the 5th version is that both their father and their mother were going to kill them the night of August 20th, 1989, which is why they shot them first.
When the Menendez brothers presented a letter to a cousin detailing the alleged sexual abuse as new evidence for a retrial, Hochman dismissed it as both untimely and lacking credibility.
If they had this evidence, if this letter truly existed, the defense counsel would have absolutely used it at the trial.
I'm disappointed.
Author Robert Rand has been a strong supporter of the Menendez brothers.
Eric and Lyle Menendez did lie at certain points early on in this case 35 years ago. However, I think it's important to recognize the men that they are today. They were 18 and 21 at the time of the crime. They're now 54 and 57. And they're very different people.
Hochman declined to comment on the separate effort to have the brothers resentenced.
The court should deny the current habeas petition by the Menendez brothers.
And the Menendez brothers will be in court on March 20th and 21st for a resentencing hearing. Alex, Christine?
Yeah, and so, Gina, go ahead.
Yeah, so the DA talked about 3 different paths for this to go forward. So this, by far, is not over for the Menendez brothers and their plea for freedom.
That's right. It's far from over. He also mentioned that the governor has the right to grant clemency, but he says no one has done it so far, and they've been in prison now for more than 3 decades. Now, the family wasn't here today, but as you know, they have been very vocal in supporting the brothers. They also have serious support all over the world. Many people saying that was so long ago, that was 30-plus years ago, and the way we see sexual abuse now versus how it was seen back then has changed. So they've been begging for clemency, but at this time, you know, it's an uphill battle.
Well, the DA has some strong thoughts on that, saying they had come up with 4 different stories as to why they killed their parents, and they testified about sexual abuse. All right, more to come on this for sure, Gina. Thank you so much.